legit. Anything you want.
Update: Bitcoin falls further, hitting Ripple, XRP and Ethereum, and Tron turns red. Bitcoin has dropped utterly after a generally positive start to the year, dragging down the wider cryptocurrency market, including Ripple's XRP and Ethereum, and Tron, currently the 9th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has earned sharply lower after a strong rise earlier. Update: Bitcoin has sunk as low as $3,500 according to latest prices from the Luxembourg-based Bitstamp exchange, down almost 10% over the last 24 hours, FTER rising sharply earlier this week. Ripple XRP is down a similar amount, while Ethereum is off by 15%. Bitcoin Cash is leading the major coins lower, dropping over 15%. It was not immediately clear what had sparked the sudden sell-off, though market analysts attribute these latest moves to a number of causes. A few drivers are rumored to be behind the crypto sell-off in the last 24 hours, said David Thomas, co-founder of London-based cryptocurrency broker Global Block. Firstly, there was a 51% attack on Ethereum Classic which resulted in the apparent double spend of $1.1 million of etc. Naturally, occurrences such as these can tend to cause some fear in the market surrounding overall security and confidence surrounding both cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology itself. The cryptocurrency sector has been on edge this week since Ethereum Classic, an offshoot of Ethereum, suffered a so-called 51% attack. Many traders and investors are fretting over the possibility of Bitcoin or another major token being hit by a similar attack, something that's deemed highly unlikely by analysts. Ethereum Classic, which split from Ethereum in 2016, is currently the 18th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Secondly, there was also talk today of a whale moving 319,000 ETH $68 million onto an exchange today, which may well have spooked the market to further sell-offs. Thirdly, ETH has risen off its lows before Christmas by some 80%, and any weakness can often lead to a trigger of profit-taking from those that manage to catch the lows around $82 in December, Thomas added. Lastly, it is worth noting that today's move yet again highlights how volatile digital assets can be, and we can expect them to remain volatile, at least until there's further institutional involvement in the space. Last night the Bloomberg Newswire reported it could be make or break time for Bitcoin. According to Bloomberg analysis, Bitcoin is on the verge of major move that could see it rise sharply higher, or ditch suddenly lower. FTR Bitcoin's leap to $4,000 earlier this week. It seems that we're now seeing a reversal of this surge, which in turn is also causing XRP and Ethereum's price to fall, said Matty Greenspan, senior market analyst at brokerage eToro. While Bitcoin was unable to hold on to Sunday's momentum, it's important to remember that this price decline still remains within the broader $3,000–$5,000 range, meaning the significance of this should not be overstated. It's unlikely that the bottom is in for Bitcoin, Travis Kling, founder of the crypto hedge fund Ikigai, told Bloomberg. I am certainly willing to change my mind, but the preponderance of evidence leads us to believe that we'll see more lows before we head higher. Meanwhile, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investors who have weathered his so-called crypto winter are already been somewhat cheered by positive start to 2019, with many eagerly looking forward to major global stock exchanges offering Bitcoin futures contracts and the highly anticipated BAKKT Bitcoin platform. The Bitcoin price is now down almost 80% from the near $20,000 peak it hit in December 2017, though many of Bitcoin's biggest supporters continue to hawk up the digital currency's long-term prospects. Tron, which was earlier today the lone major cryptocurrency in the green, has doubled its price over the last month, as investors are lured to the token. The Tron blockchain platform, led by sometimes controversial chief executive Austin Sun, is aiming to unseat Ethereum as the biggest platform for decentralized applications. Tron celebrated its 1 millionth user account last month. Last night it was reported Tron has hired a former U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission supervisory attorney David Labhart as its chief compliance officer,